Are you lonely?
She's such a loser. Look at her. She has no friends.
She's not.
Loser.
You have no friends. It's fun having friends.
It is fun. Yay.
Do you have to skip alone?
Hey, you smell bad. Can you not make the cheerleading team?
Woo! I like to yell and wave my arms around and make people excited and stuff.
You
Well, if
suck.
you're that lame,
We have a solution.
Ratchet Mobile. This will get you all the girls and all the friends, and you'll certainly make the cheerleading team with this bad boy. If you buy this, you'll instantly become cool, unlike your old self. How has the Ratchet Mobile improved your life?
man, I used to have no friends, man. Now I get all the ratchets. Come here, girl. Ratchet Mobile changed my life forever.